Your ID offers you a convincing mix of technology and comfort. From the moment your vehicle is unlocked, when you approach it, your ID will welcome you and unlock all the doors automatically. Just leave your key in your pocket. If you want to unlock selected doors only, you can specify this in the vehicle settings. Locking is just as easy. If you move away from your ID, it will lock by itself. Provided you have activated this function here in the settings and all windows are closed. When your ID flashes and folds in the exterior mirrors, you will know that it's locked. It's also possible to conveniently open the luggage compartment, for example if your hands aren't free. Simply move your foot under the rear, take a step back, and the rear lid will open. You can close it again in the same way. With the Volkswagen app, you can even unlock your ID from afar. This is useful, for example, if you've forgotten something and want to unlock your ID for someone else. Of course, unlocking and locking also works with your vehicle key. If you press and hold the rear lid button, it will open automatically. Press and hold it again to close it. Let some fresh air into your ID even before you get in, on hot summer days, for example. To do so, activate the convenience opening function. Simply press and hold the unlocking button on the vehicle key, and all the windows will open. Opening and closing. Smart and convenient in so many ways.
Volkswagen.